Sometimes in IB tests, they'll give you questions like this, and it's like, well, we never really talked about this. You just got to scratch your head and think about this, right? Okay, so calculate with a suitable unit the electrical power output of the power station, right? Well, we've got an efficiency here, right? Remember, the efficiency is power output over power input, right? Okay, so therefore the power output is E times the power input, right? So basically it's going to be 59 or 0.59 times whatever the power input is, right? So what is the power input of this thing? Well, every second it combusts 14.6 kilograms of fuel, right? So we consume 14.6 kilograms of fuel every second, right? And every kilogram has 55.5 times 10 to the 6. That's what megajoules, right? Megajoules per kilogram, right? Well, if you look at this, the kilograms will cancel out and you'll end up with joules per second, right? And then that is your power in, right? Is every kilogram, right, has 55.5 million joules of energy. Uranium is somewhat more than this, by the way. But 14.6 kilograms every second times that would give you the joules per second, right? So notice the kilograms go away, right? Multiply by 0.59. You got it, right? Okay, calculate the mass generated in a year. Well, if you burn 14.6 kilograms per second, and there are 3.16 times 10 to the 7th seconds in a year, we could have figured that out, but they gave it to us, right? That would give you the kilograms of natural gas burned, but a kilogram of natural gas generates 2.75 kilograms, right? So you want to multiply that by 2.75, okay? You're going to multiply those three numbers together. You'll get a number that is in the billions, okay? A little more than 1 billion kilograms of carbon dioxide created every year, okay? Explain using your answer why countries are asked to decrease their dependence on fossil fuels. Well, see, now I thought one of the marks would be that burning fossil fuels releases carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide leads to global warming. Okay, see if you can get it. I don't know. You'll see the mark scheme, but try to get it before you look at the mark scheme. Has to do. You need to say greenhouse effect and climate change. Okay, and then you need to say that I think CO2 leads to climate change. Right. Describe in terms of energy transfers how thermal energy of the burning gas becomes electrical energy. So notice that the gas is already burned, right? So you're talking about the heat energy, right? The heat energy boils the steam drives the turbines generate electricity. But try to think about what kind of energies those are, okay? They just have a couple of them, basically, okay? I listed like all the way from chemical potential energy to whatever, but you don't need to do that. All right, I'll do the rest of this video in a separate video. I'll do the rest of the problem in a separate video.